Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. So today, we will be upgrading our reverse lights to LED. Here is the old halogen bulbs we are using on the XB. Let's start by removing these two big Allen head bolts that hold the side cover. And then we need to remove this small cover. Let's pull the big side cover so we can access the back of the taillights. Grab a 10mm socket to remove the two bolts holding the taillight. It has a long stud holding it, so you need to work your way out. Be careful not to drop the nut, or else you will need the magnet and long patience to get it. Just do the same thing on the other nut. And then unplug the harness. Take your time on removing the taillight. You might need to wiggle it a bit. So here is the comparison of the halogen and LED bulb for the reverse. So here, we will just swap out the halogen bulb to LED. After installing the LED, check first if it's working. If not, make sure it's making contact, or you can try flipping it. So after checking that it's working, you can now put the taillight back on its place. Install the two nuts and tighten it. And don't forget to plug the harness back. Install the two Allen head bolts. And the small cover. So here is the LED versus halogen. And then just do the same thing on the other side. And this will be your result, nice and bright. If this helped, please give it a like and hit subscribe for more car tips. See you on the next one.